Just got this thermal label printer. It's a Jadens brand off Amazon. I'm gonna show you what's inside and how it works. All right, under the packaging, some simple instructions. Inside we have the printer. All right, this is what it looks like out of the box. All right, just turned it or plugged it in. Let's turn it on. This one did come with like a single label with it, but I bought a whole stack of 4x6 labels, and the box that you saw at the very beginning had this box, and you just assemble it and you have your label tray right here, and just load this bad boy in there just like that. It literally just sits in there, and then line it up, and you're good to go. You might scoot that back a little bit just to have more space. The printer itself has an app that you just have to download. There's a QR code in the beginning instruction sheet. Download, then you can open, and then you'll log in. Once you're logged in and you have the printer added via Bluetooth, it shows up like this. Now after setting up the app, I'm back on my eBay and I hit get shipping label, share button. This is on an iPhone. I scroll down to print with Jaden's print. Connect first, print. So that's how fast this thing printed. You saw it was like a few seconds, and then you literally rip it off and you're good to go. Grab your box, slap it on. Now that that label has been printed, I just want to show you guys what the setup looks like. Here's what the app looks like. We have file, you can choose file, scan, DIY, which means you can probably just make your own, and an AI generator. And for eBay, if you literally just hit print, it's gonna be able to forward straight to the app. So, and honestly, one of the key benefits, the reason I got this is because it doesn't require any ink. This is a thermal label printer, so it uses a laser to pretty much burn the image onto the paper, and then you literally just peel off the sticker, put it on your package, and you are good to go. If you guys found any value in this video, please hit the like and be sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. I also recently made a video of the different shipping products you might and accessories you might need when shipping for your eBay business. So if you're just starting eBay business and you're wondering like what shipping supplies do I need, be sure to check that one out too. So you guys have a good day. Peace.